Hello there. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to generate logos using Midjourney. You're going to go into a server with Midjourney, or you can go into the direct messages with your Midjourney subscribed account. For this example, we're going to be using our own server. Now what you're going to do is type /imagine or click the button in the frequently used option, and in the prompt area, you're going to type whatever you want to create. For example, we're creating a logo for an animal rescue center. You're going to hit enter and wait for it to generate your image. As you can see, Midjourney is not the best at generating text on top of your logos. So if you want better options, you can use different keywords in your prompt like /imagine. And in the prompt, you're going to type after typing what you want, you can either add the name of the company, but again, Midjourney is not the best at generating text on top of their images. So what you're going to do is just type logo for a mountain bike company, and in the front, you're going to add 2D flat, and you're going to add a background that you can easily edit out. So for this, you're going to keep white and black, and maybe add neon and add vector. Hit generate. Now after you have an image, you can either just hit generate with the same prompt again for a different image, or you can choose any of these. Now you can see it made us better logos which you can easily crop the text out of. For example, here you can just easily get the text out using Canva or Photoshop. And here you can also do the same by adding new text of your own if you don't like it. But Midjourney is more of a trial and error AI, so you can just keep trying again and again with different keywords for your preferred logo. We're going to try again, but with a different company. For example, we're going to be choosing a car rental company. And here we have our images. You can take a look here. It generated us some good options without text. If you do want text, even though Midjourney is not the best at generating text in its images, you can add the name of your company. For example, we're just going to copy this and try again, but with the actual name. And wait for it to generate. Here we have our images, which are slightly better than the past results, but as I said, the text is kind of messed up here. It's pretty easy to edit out. You can go to Canva and replace the text there. That sums up the video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.